New Year's Eve, I thought I would jack the car up and take a look at what was someone making some of these rusty piles. Got a bit of a surprise. Ta-da! That's obviously the sill, inner sill, carpet. Oh, what? Yeah, that is actually carpet. There's no floor left. This was once like the rear chassis rail thing. I don't know, like reinforcing member, which has just turned to powder. The heel board, which should be up here, missing probably the bottom 2 or 3 inches. So that's not good. These inspection covers always disappear, so that is carpet. But what's worrying is all of that, which should be nice solid metal, is basically, you can tear it out. It's basically held together by the wiring looms, seam sealer and under seal. It's basically turned to dust, and it's the same story most of the way along. The fuel tank's definitely going to have to come out to get to this. What is bizarre and very good actually is this is the mounting for the rear trailing arm on the near side. That goes onto some captive threads behind here. That's already solid. Rear of the sill's gone. Front of the sill ain't a lot better. In fact, it makes me think if this car hasn't already had a sill on one side, because again the metal has turned to mush and we're left with holes that you can put your arm through in the underside of the car. If you actually pull away the wing, you can put your whole hand inside. So yeah, not a nice discovery, but something to look forward to in 2019.